Okay, on my Mac, now that I've upgraded, every time I go to move my tabs, I always go to the very top, expands at full screen, which just drives me crazy. And you have to make sure to pull down. And again, this happens all the time. So to fix it, it took me a while to figure this out. You want to go to System, Settings, Desktop and Dock. Scroll to the bottom. Let's see. Under Windows, and you want to deselect, drag Windows to menu bar to fill screen. Deselect that. And now when you drag it wherever you drag it, it's not going to expand to the full width. And I have what is a 50-inch monitor, so it's not useful as far as having it expanded that far. So hopefully that helps somebody. So again, on the Mac, so the desktop and dock, deselect drag Windows to menu bar to fill screen.